First, press the Xfinity button on your remote to open the main menu. Next, navigate to Saved or Recordings and select Scheduled or Recordings List to see what's upcoming. Find the show you want to cancel and press OK or Enter to view its details. Look for options like Manage Series, Edit Recording, or Cancel Recording, and select Cancel Series Recording. Confirm your choice when prompted. Finally, double-check the Recordings menu to verify the series is no longer scheduled. Remember, this only stops future recordings. Existing episodes need to be deleted separately by selecting them and choosing Delete. Press Exit to return to live TV. For voice control, you can also say Cancel Recording for Show Name into your voice remote if you have one. Sometimes, the Cancel Recording option might be grayed out. This usually means a recording is in progress or locked. Wait until it finishes and try again. You can also use the Rogers Ignite TV app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in, go to Recordings, select the series, and cancel from there. Make sure your Ignite TV box is updated to the latest firmware version to avoid any UI bugs. Check under Settings, Device Settings, Software Updates. With the move towards cloud-based storage, Rogers now offers up to 500 hours of recording space, so managing your series recordings effectively helps you make the most of it. If you're switching to streaming services like Netflix or Disney+, remember to cancel those series recordings to free up space and avoid unnecessary clutter. Canceling series helps in the move to being eco-friendly by not needing physical boxes.